So basically you have the rail bubble wrapped, you have the feet, 2 sections here, and then these are the pins, it looks like, that hold the rail up so you can adjust the height. All right, now that the rail has been completely unwrapped, I'm gonna go ahead and skate it, so enjoy that. I liked it a lot. I don't really think there's anything negative I have to say about it. It's lightweight, it fits in the car well, and honestly, I hope I have this thing a long time. And yeah, hope you enjoyed. Thank you.